Hello guys, welcome back again sa aking YouTube channel, and for today's video, andito tayo ngayon sa Dumaguete Airport at babiyahe tayo ngayon papuntang Manila kasama ang aking asawa. At ito, tamang check-in tayo sa ating baggage at kukuha tayo ng boarding pass. At ito na guys, may boarding pass na tayo by Cebu Pacific. At dito guys, ito yung loob ng Dumaguete Airport. Bali, waiting na lang tayo sa airplane at pagbo-boarding. Bali, inaantay pa namin that time ang eroplano galing Maynila. At ito na guys, kakarating lang. Tapos, konting preparation lang. Tapos, boarding. Tapos, flight na tayo.
Isang paalala lamang ng bawat pasahero ay maaari lamang magdala ng isang hand carry baggage sa loob ng eroplano.
At dito guys, bali nag-start na ang boarding para sa biyaheng Maynila. Bali row number 1 yung mauuna. At ito tamang check sa ating boarding pass. At ito na guys, bali papasok na tayo sa Cebu Pacific airplane. Let's go Manila, Dumaguete.
To depart here in Dumaguete at time.
Yes. Our flying time is approximately 1 hour and 10 minutes. Ang lipad na ito ay pinungunahan ni Kapitan Wanasan sa tulong ni Unang Opisyal Arias. Tayo po ay lilipad na mahigit kumulang 1 oras at 10 minuto.
To your cabin crew, who will demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Each seat is provided with a seat belt. To fasten, push ends together. Tighten seat belt by pulling loose end. To unfasten, lift top of buckle and pull free end to release. We are about to take off. Straighten up your seats. Fasten seat belts securely. Keep window shades open and tray tables stowed. Voice communication with the use of mobile phones is prohibited while cabin doors are closed.
Ingat-ingat. Kita ba?
opening the overhead bins, as heavy items may have moved during the flight. If you require assistance, please remain in your seat until all other passengers have deplaned. Thank you for flying Cebu Pacific, a member of Value Alliance. For passengers with onward connecting flights on Cebu Pacific or Cebgo, please proceed to the transfer desk located at the arrival hall. For assistance, please approach our ground personnel upon disembarkation.
Hello everyone, Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Ninoy Aquino International Airport. We are pleased to announce that we have just landed 20 minutes ahead of our scheduled time of arrival. We are now taxiing towards Naiya Terminal 3 for a proper and safe disembarkation. Mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo at hintayin matanggal ang ilaw sa fasten seatbelt sign bago tumayo para kunin ang inyong mga kagamitan. Nais rin namin yung palam sa inyo na paggamit ng palikuran sa mga sandaling ito ay mahigpit na ipinagbabawal.
Mami,